You are not famous. You are not rich. You are just starting. Maybe you feel small in a very big world. You try, you fail. You hear people say, "Stop, you can't do it." But listen carefully. Every great story starts exactly like this. This is the story of Bill Gates. And today, you will not only practice English, you will learn how curiosity becomes power. Take a deep breath. Relax. Speak with me. Let's begin. Part 1. A Curious Mind. He was not the strongest, not the fastest, not the most popular, but he had one thing: curiosity. While other kids played outside, he stayed inside, reading, thinking, learning. Books were his world. He grew up in Seattle in a simple but supportive family. His parents believed in education, but school felt slow for him. Too slow. One day, a teacher asked, "Why don't you pay attention?" He answered, "I already read this." He needed more, and soon his life changed. Part 2. The moment everything changed. At school, he found something new: a computer. Big, simple, strange, but to him, it was magic. At just 13 years old, he wrote his first program, a simple game, but it showed him something powerful. Ideas can become real. There, he met Paul Allen. Different personalities, same vision. They believed in one idea. One day, every home will have a computer. At that time, it sounded impossible, but they didn't stop. They built their first small business. Not perfect, not big, but real. Say it. Small ideas can grow big. Part 3. The Risky Decision. Most people choose safety, school, degree, job. But he chose risk. He entered Harvard University, one of the best schools in the world. But something felt wrong. His heart was not there. Then one day, everything changed. A new computer appeared, the Altair 8800, small, powerful, full of potential. He saw the future, and he made a bold choice. He left Harvard. No guarantees, no safety, just belief and a dream. Together with Paul, he started a company, Microsoft. Say it. I choose growth over comfort. Part 4. Building something big. No office, no money, no team, only vision. They worked day and night. Then came a big opportunity. IBM needed software. He said yes before he was ready. That decision changed everything. They built it, they delivered it, and suddenly they were growing fast. Later came Windows. Simple, visual, powerful. Computers became easier for everyone. Millions of people started using them. At the same time, another company was rising. Apple, led by Steve Jobs. Different styles, same mission: to change the world. Part 5. More than money. Success came fast. At 31, He became a billionaire, but money was not the end. It was a tool. He created the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to help people. Health, education, clean water. He gave billions to improve lives. Because real success is not what you keep, it is what you give. Say it. Success means impact. Part 6. Lessons for your life. Now stop. Think. What can you learn? Lesson 1. Stay curious. Questions create growth. Lesson 2. Take smart risks. Growth lives outside comfort. Lesson 3. Build discipline. Small habits create big results. Lesson 4. Focus on impact. Help others grow. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. One question a day, one step a day, one improvement at a time. This is not just his story. It can be yours. You don't need money. You don't need talent. You need curiosity, action, consistency. Come back to this lesson. Listen again. Speak again. Grow again. This is the path English keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in your future.